I'm Jasmine with WTI, and a must-have item for any mom is a portable diaper changing pad, and this is my favorite one from Skip Hop. This changing pad is really cute to take with you on the go. It's the perfect size. It fits perfectly in the diaper bag, and you have plenty of room for everything you need, including a change of clothes in case of a blowout, diapers. Your wipes can fit in this little compartment, and most importantly, you have plenty of room for a baby on this nice wipeable surface so they don't have to lay directly on any surface when you are in a public place, which is really nice. It's also really easy and fast to close up. Just takes a few seconds and you're all done. It's very easy to carry and convenient to have when you are out and about. So if you're looking for a portable diaper changing pad, definitely check this one out from Skip Hop. It's great quality. It has plenty of compartments for everything you need to change your baby's diaper on the go. And that's my point of view.